Hey guys, I'm Gabriella, and here's how to get this gorgeous Scarlet Starlet look from the Summer 2023 edition of The Look. I'm starting with my foundation and brows already done so we can jump right into the fun part. I'm going in with Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow and smoky quartz all over the lid. Then I'm using granite to blend out the crease for a smoky look. I'm using Mary Kay gel eyeliner with expandable brush applicator to paint a thin line across my lid, and popping on Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. To my cheeks, I'm adding Mary Kay Chroma Fusion Contour in Latte, but if your skin is more bronze, you may prefer the shade Cocoa, and just a touch of blush and Juicy Peach. Here's where we take this look up a notch, with the powerful red lip. You can choose from Poppy Please, Red Stiletto, Scarlet Red, or my personal favorite, Midnight Red, to complete your look. I am obsessed with this lipstick and this look, and I can't wait to show it off all summer long. To shop all the products I used today, reach out to your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant or find a beauty consultant near you on marykay.com.